Good morning. See, if a person is working as IAS officer, he must have some knowledge about administration, finance, constitution sufficient. If he is an engineer in respect of that subject, he should be master in that subject. Doctor must know his field of medicines and other subject pertaining to it. But so far advocate is concerned, he must know all law pertaining to every field. Therefore, you must also have knowledge of all the fields. Of course, it is not possible. But whenever clients approaches you, you can gather some knowledge from him about his field and have that knowledge to defend him with your intelligence argument. Therefore, you must know all the subjects. See, for example, I have a case wherein an advocate seems to have helped a candidate who was denied medical seat. Probably he would have uh, drowned in the field to understand what is what. This is called AR 2021 NOC 853 Kerala Aswate P. Union of India, Indian Medical Council Act, Section 33, Medical Council of India Regulations on Graduate Medical Education, 1997, Class 4, Subclass 3. Admission to MBBS course, denial of ground of disability. Candidate suffering from cerebral palsy, triplegia. Plead that the petitioner suffering from triplegia, which falls under the residuary category others, and such candidates are eligible to claim admissions to medical courses only if both their hands are intact with intact sensation, sufficient strength and range of motion. Medical certificate indicating triplegia as medical condition associated with disability of petitioner, spastic cerebral palsy, and cannot be construed as independent disability. Candidates suffering from cerebral palsy with not more than 80% disability are eligible for admission. Then petitioner can claim stairs with railing, though he has only minimum ability to run or jump and he has difficulty in moving with uneven surfaces. Petitioner can handle most objects with somewhat reduced quality and or speed of achievement. Denial of admission is arbitrary. So AR online 2021 Kerala 720. See how the defense lawyer gained all this knowledge and helped him. So that is which see I am referring this case. Sometimes this case may be bore you. Maybe seems to be somewhat unwanted food served on your table. But sometimes what happens, we used to stare at food the other table on other tables and observe the ingredients there. Like that, you can have these cases on your mind. Slowly, this may also give you stock knowledge about that particular subject. See, if you are not able to understand that particular subject, read, and again. But at the same time, don't ignore these subjects because once you step in and understood the methodology applied applicable for the candidate, and sometimes candidate may also help you because of other sources knowledge. So I think you understand the reason for this case being referred to, because this is one of the social concern and a remedy was granted to the candidate who was practically suffering from the God's what we could say givens, God's givings. He did not derive from it. His parents uh, given a birth with this, all these things. So try to understand and go through this judgment and keep it in all file or take down notice how this is what Avanti versus P, Union of India, single judge.